Hello everyone, my name is Sudarshan MSA from Triple E branch. My idea is smart rolling pen. Let's see the introduction. The smart rolling pens look like any other normal pen, but on the other side there is a clip which you can pull and extend. And it is not a simple rolling paper pen, it is a digital rolling transparent display. You can see here the prototype of the smart rolling pen. Required components. The body of the pen is made by carbon fiber because it is strong and very lightweight. And digital LED rolling transparent display are used. It is flexible and digital meters, charging ports, some sensors, micro rechargeable battery are used. Uses of this pen. This pen is specially made for older peoples and soldiers, and this pen helps student. In this pen we can do mathematical calculations, and we can note down some important points. It is little expensive, but it is more useful, and it stores data. Let's see the advantages. This pen is lightweight and strong, flexible display, it can carry anywhere, um, quick charge, high battery life. Thank you.